and welcome to my channel for a new video tutorial. Today we're gonna learn a new stitch that could be mixed with another stitch to give you a rich texture. So I'm gonna show you how to make the back post double crochet. As you can see, the back post double crochet could be used and create a rich texture if it's used with the front post double crochet. We usually use the back post double crochet with the front post double crochet to create this texture. Also, we can use it in the ribbings of the garments and the ribbings of the sleeves. So let's learn a very simple method to make the back post double crochet. We will need the crochet hook that you are already using or working with and the selected yarn. Also, the back post double crochet couldn't be worked on a foundation chain. It needs a row of any previous stitches to be worked on. So I've already prepared a sample for you to show you how to make it. I already have a row of double crochet that I'm gonna work on. So first of all, I will yarn over. Instead of inserting the hook in this stitch, I will bring it from the back side of the stitch as like this way and pull the yarn from the front side back to the way I started. Pull up the loop through the first two stitches and then the next two stitches. So as you can see here that the back post double crochet is in the back. I'm gonna do another one, regular double crochet, to see the difference. So as you can see here that the double crochet is exactly above the stitch while the back post double crochet is beyond it. Another one, yarn over, insert the hook from the back side, moving to the front and then back again, yarn over, pull the yarn through the first two loops and then the second two loops. So here is the way that I've crocheted the back post double crochet. I really hope that you liked this video and it was useful to you. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to receive any new video. See you in the next episode.